Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore the default theme on Samsung Galaxy A26. You can see that I have a quite intense theme. It changes a lot here, so if you want to restore it back to the default one, go to the settings, then go to the themes, menu, my stuff, and now you can do it in themes, in wallpapers, or in icons to restore it to the default. So I'm gonna do it in themes, of course. Just go to default and apply it. Wait until it loads. And now it's applied. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.